Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got another food review and pizza taste test. Today we've been to Tesco's and this is new, and this is the chicken barbecue. This is the cheeky barbecue chicken stuffed crust. Let's take a look. Right, so this is the one from Tesco's. As you can see, it's new, and this is the cheeky barbecue chicken stuffed crust, and that is a cheesy stuffed crust pizza topped with our banging barbecue sauce and loaded with chicken, peppers and onions. As you can see there, ready in 18 minutes. There is your traffic light system, and take a look at the back. It is 495 grams. And there is your nutrition. And there's your ingredients. Ingredients would be milk, mostly milk and wheat. And there's your cooking instructions. Cook from frozen. Oven 200, gas 180, and fan 200C, fan 180, and gas mark 6, 16 to 80 minutes. Let's take a look. Right, as you can see, just got the wrapping off now. Have a better look at it. Looks absolutely good. And this was $1.59 or $1.69, I think, from Tesco's. Let's get it in the oven. Right, so I've just got it out the oven now, and as you can see, let's get it cut up. So I'll just get a close-up look at it. Right, so there's a better look at it. Let's taste this taste test. Definitely a strong barbecue taste to it. And you've got like a cheesy crust. Underneath is all done proper. Yeah, it's a nice tasting pizza. The crust is nice and thick with the cheese. Right, so Tesco's barbecue chicken pizza with stuffed crust cheese. This is $1.59, $1.69, something like that, from Tesco's. As you can see, it's new. It's a nice tasting barbecue pizza. If I was giving this score out of 10, I'll give it a 7. It's a good one. Just needed a bit more spice, and then it would have got a higher score. But comment down below, have you had this range before from Tesco's? Is there any other ones I should be looking out for? If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and consider subscribing to the channel, all helps. And there'll be some more food reviews and taste tests on the way. Thanks for watching, bye.